The 2024 Honda XR150L is a testament to Honda's commitment to producing versatile and reliable motorcycles. This dual sport bike strikes an impressive balance between practicality and rugged performance, making it an excellent choice for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Let's delve into the key aspects that make the XR150L a standout in its category. The design of the 2024 Honda XR150L is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It features a classic upright dual-sport riding position, which promotes rider comfort and control. The tall handlebar ensures a natural riding posture, optimizing handling and reducing fatigue during long rides. One of the key ergonomic features is the low seat height, which inspires confidence by providing a stable footing for steady starts and stops. This is particularly beneficial for novice riders or those with shorter inseams. Adding to its aggressive look, the XR150L sports MX-inspired shrouds and a modern headlight, giving it a distinctive front-end appearance. Practicality is enhanced with an included rear rack, offering convenient cargo space for luggage and supplies, making it perfect for longer trips or daily errands. At the heart of the 2024 Honda XR150L lies a 149.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled four-stroke engine, embodying the legendary XR toughness and reliability. This engine produces smooth and predictable power, making it well-suited for a variety of riding conditions. It is capable of reaching highway speeds while being finely tuned for around-town riding and confident dirt road or trail negotiation. Fuel efficiency is a notable highlight of the XR150L. With a 2.8-gallon fuel tank, the bike offers an impressive tested fuel range of 346 miles. This efficiency ensures fewer stops for refueling, allowing riders to enjoy extended journeys. Additionally, the convenience of an electric starter adds to the overall user-friendly experience. The 2024 Honda XR150L is built to handle the rigors of off-road riding, thanks to its robust steel frame designed for off-road intensity. The suspension system strikes a perfect balance between comfort and performance. It features a 31mm conventional fork and a single rear shock, providing 7.1 inches and 5.9 inches of front and rear wheel travel, respectively. This setup ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The full-size wheels, with a 19-inch front and a 17-inch rear, contribute to its ability to roll over obstacles effortlessly, promoting stability in control. For braking, the XR150L is equipped with a dual-piston hydraulic front caliper and a 110mm rear drum brake, ensuring strong and precise stopping power. While maintaining rugged simplicity, the 2024 Honda XR150L offers several convenient features. The rear cargo rack and electric starter enhance the bike's practicality. Additionally, Honda provides a range of accessories that allow riders to customize their XR150L to suit various riding experiences, from daily commutes to adventurous trails. Safety and reliability are cornerstones of Honda's reputation, and the XR150L is no exception. The balanced suspension system contributes to controlled handling both on pavement and off-road. Honda's meticulous engineering ensures that the engine and components are built to last, providing peace of mind to riders who demand dependability from their motorcycle. One of the most compelling aspects of the 2024 Honda XR150L is its affordability. Priced at just $2,680, it offers exceptional value for dual-sport enthusiasts. This budget-friendly price point makes the XR150L accessible to a wide range of riders, without compromising on quality or performance. The combination of low maintenance costs, excellent fuel efficiency, and Honda's strong resale value further enhances its appeal as a sound investment.